everybody, this is Mandy, and today we are opening our Universal Yums box. This is one of our favorites, isn't it? Every month you get treats, savory and sweet, from different countries.
This one's
and
French.
That's right. It says, this one is from where people learn to listen to their heart, and there's the little picture. And as Jack said, this one is from France. There ought to be some really good yummy treats in here. Let's open it up. On the top, we have a little map that shows a little bit of France. On the back is where we vote for the different products that we like.
Man, France
It also comes with a little book about France.
France really likes their chips.
Jack says that France really likes their chips. So let's see what he means by that. It looks like we have a Brett's. And that means from cheese, and I'm not sure what that means. Looking on the back, it says Jura cheese potato chips. You want to try it?
Yeah. You want to try it?
Yeah, I do.
Wait, they're potato chips?
Yeah, just potato chips. Try.
Oh, tastes weird. Tastes kind of like, I don't know.
There's kind of a sharp cheese.
I don't know.
But it's really good. France is known for their cheese. They have really good cheeses. All right.
I think those two are made out of cheese.
Next up, another thing of chips. This one looks like maybe vinegar. Salt and vinegar chips. It says
wait,
on the back.
I know why they really like the chips. They're made out of cheese.
Yeah, they like cheese in France. This is our potato chip. It smells like salt and vinegar.
Tastes like salt and vinegar.
We like salt and vinegar chips, and that's what it tastes like. Very vinegary. Let's go in for something a little sweeter this time. Check this out. A truffles bar. I believe France is also known for their chocolate. This has 4 chocolate truffles in it. Let's open it up. Oh,
I want this one.
Jack already picks out what he wants to do next. Okay, so they're individual. Ooh, and it's just a chocolate truffle.
Should we do the gum last?
It's
I think we should do the mint last.
Soft chocolate. Oh, it's so mushy. It just melts in your mouth. So good. There's 3 more. I'm going to save this for my kids. You want to do that last?
No.
You want to do it next? We're ready for our next treat.
I think this is a mint.
So he picked this one. Can't begin to read it. Oh, actually it says chewy strawberry flavored treats. Ew. It's like a chewy candy. Let's open it and taste it.
I thought it said mint.
There we go.
I'm actually good at opening it from the tap.
It smells good. It's kind of like a powder. Oh, that's weird.
I actually kind of like
It's like a Starburst, but
powderier.
thicker and powderier. Yeah, powderier. But it's good. You like it?
I like it.
That's good. Okay. You want to pick out the next one?
It has a mouse. Wait, Mom, I completed the challenge. I found a mouse.
This says, it looks like it says tube. They look like there might be another potato crispy type thing. And it says cheese flavored puffed corn snack. That sounds good.
It's definitely gum, kind of.
These almost look like, they're textured kind of like a bugle. Here, try one of those.
I want some.
It's very good cheese flavor. That's my favorite so far. And it tastes like a bugle, but cheesy.
You should watch the other one, because this is kind of a spoiler ending, but those ghosts.
It kind of tastes like last month we had Poland, and they were called crisps or something.
They're something with
They were shaped like ghosts. That's what they taste like. I see a box, so we're going to go for that next. Pure butter biscuits. Yum. That sounds really good. I love butter cookies. So let's try this.
I kind of don't like butter cookies.
You don't? Well, then more for me.
Well, that's a lot of butter cookies.
Yeah, it looks like there's 6 of them. Whoa.
Thank you. That's mine.
There's a little.
Tastes like that. Oh, I don't like it. I want to keep that.
It's not like overly sweet.
I'm liking all of it.
It's very buttery. It tastes like those cookies you get at Christmas in the round tin, but almost more buttery than that.
Mom,
It's very good.
This is
Very
probably
rich.
my only non-favorite one.
Jack's not a fan. You're not in the camera. You want to scooch over a little bit?
No.
Huh. I see more truffles.
No.
A whole box of them. This is Jacques. It says French dusted truffles almond
I
flavor.
want another one of those.
Another one of what, the chocolates? Oh, those. He went back for the cheesy crispy things. This is pretty in a nice gold box. Hold on. Looks like, okay, and then in the box there's a gold bag. Ooh, and they're heavy. Ooh, and they're a lot like those other things we opened. There are chocolates.
I knew these would
Very soft,
these
truffly.
other things would be good.
An
apple?
Oh, I don't know if you like it. It's very amaretto. It's got really strong almond flavor, and I'm not sure that I like that.
I kind of don't like it, but I kind of do.
I like the chocolate part of it, but then it's like overwhelmingly almond extract.
There's some parts that I like it, and then some parts it just turns.
And it's not sweet. It's
Sometimes
weird.
I taste cherry, which then takes this
Yeah.
flavor out, but then it turns back into the flavor I don't like.
Yeah, I don't care for those, which surprises me. All right. Ooh, more chocolate.
But I am gonna eat the whole entire thing.
Oh, good. This, it says it is 47% cocoa, dark chocolate with sea salt crystals. This I think I'm gonna like. I like dark chocolate. I like unsweetened chocolate, but not with a bunch of amaretto or almond in it. Okay, this got a foil. Yeah.
I can taste it from here.
Yeah. Yes, French chocolate, yummy. And it comes in squares. I don't think I need that whole square. Let's share the square. Here.
I need to chew my stuff.
That's good. It's dark chocolate, but it's sweet.
I like dark chocolate.
Oh, that's so good. And then
But dark chocolate is already sweet to me.
it is, and it's got just they hit you with the salt right at the end. So that cuts through the sweetness.
No, it just tastes like regular dark chocolate.
It's really good.
It just tastes like regular dark chocolate.
And one last thing before we get into our bag of smaller treats. It's a mini roll, and it looks like it's raspberry. It's a little raspberry cake, kind of like a Swiss roll that you get from Little Debbie.
Luckily, I've got these
Those
to
are,
take my
but raspberry.
If these taste bad, I'm gonna get these and just nibble on them.
Okay.
And then
That's good.
and try the next one.
It's like shortcake with some raspberry. Do you want to try this? Raspberry roll. That's good.
Thanks a little bit.
The portion size is nice. Just one
I
little
like
roll.
it.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. All right, and then we've got our bag of what's that? Yum bag. So let's see what's in here. A bunch of little things. It looks like we have some Tete Clack. Open that and see what that is.
Chocolate.
It is.
What?
It popped and there's jelly inside. It tastes like orange.
I think this might be hot.
Well, then there's like a little guy with flames on his head.
I think there's another one. Yeah, there's another one.
Something brulees.
Cola
Flavored. Cola flavored. Oh, and you know what it feels like? Like a Jolly Rancher. Only it's soft though, like a Sugar Daddy.
Okay, that's definitely Coca-Cola flavor.
It tastes like Coke.
Wait,
It's like Coke taffy.
what am I looking?
Oh, I kind of like
What am
that.
I getting reminded of?
I know. It's like an Airhead or something, but it tastes like exactly like Coke.
What is this? I don't know the name of it.
And then, then we've got some caramels. I know I like that.
I'm just gonna nibble on this.
Do you like it? It tastes like cola.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
I can drink this.
a nice chewy caramel. I think that's it.
I try this one.
Look, it's got jelly inside.
I'm gonna just
Right.
nibble on all these.
So let's review. What is your favorite?
This one.
These are really good. These strawberry
That's my
chews are really good.
favorite. That's my third. That's my fourth.
They're like a stiffer, what do we say, Starburst, but with powder on the outside. And then I think I really like these because they had a really
like a mixture between a Laffy Taffy and an Airhead.
but cola flavored. And then the cheese is really good and tart on that. So France has some really good stuff. Did you enjoy your the France box? Yes, I really love the chocolate. I love the caramel. That was fun. Nothing completely disgusting, really.
More than Portland.
More than Poland? You liked it more than Poland? I think that more of it, I liked more of it than I liked on the Poland. There was only one thing I'm like, no, I'm not going to eat this. That was the almond flavored stuff. So
I France.
when these are really good, the butter cookies.
I only had two. It was this one and one got too soft in one.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for joining me for our France Universal Yums unboxing. This was the Yum Yum box, the middle tier. Thank you, Jack, for joining me, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye!